Oh, hi there. It's just me. Wanted to tell you really quickly, the Eat to Live family is closing our doors for registration tonight at midnight. So we've been open for a few days. If you missed out on it, I'm so sorry, but this is your last chance to get into the Eat to Live family this year. We are going to have an awesome workshop, a 3-month workshop for you to support you throughout this holiday season to help you be healthy and eat how you actually envision, what will make you feel the best. We're not going for perfectionism here, but we're going to coach you to the best version of yourself that you know is possible for you. I know it's possible for you, and I want to see you attain that. Okay, so consider joining the Eat to Live family. It's a super affordable monthly group coaching membership. We are waiving the join fee this month, so I haven't done this in a long time, and this is going to be the last time that you can get into the family this year. All right, so if you want some support, some help around the holidays to eat healthier, consider joining the Eat to Live family. Just go to thewateringmouth.com/family. You can join now, but only until midnight tonight. Hope to see you in there. Bye.